Hello and welcome to Talk the Walk.
We are back, bigger,
better,
bolder, and in our first video of 2026, we'll be taking you with us around Farlington Marshes Nature Reserve.
We arrive at Hilsea Station and make our way to Farlington Marshes Nature Reserve, where we follow a circular route with views across Langstone Harbour, taking in the wildlife along the way.
Farlington Marshes Nature Reserve is located just outside of Portsmouth and is managed by the Hampshire and Isle of Wight Wildlife Trust. It is one of the Trust's oldest nature reserves, having been managed for over 60 years.
This reserve is free to visit and open all year round. It's easily accessible due to its 3 car parks and nearby Hilsea railway station.
There is a 2.5-mile walking route around the sea wall, which allows the rest of the site to remain undisturbed for wildlife. From here there are spectacular views across Langstone Harbour, which is a site of special scientific interest.
Langstone Harbour is the centre of 3 linked harbours along with Portsmouth and Chichester, and is protected by the highest level of wildlife designations due to the mudflats. Its history consists of salt production and oyster farming. The sea wall acts as a flood defence for protecting the A27, as well as the railway and property in Farlington. Necessary repair works were carried out on the tidal flap between 2024 and 2025, and the sea wall now also requires works in order to maintain its function. The winter months are the perfect time to visit, as the reserve is home to a variety of overwintering migratory birds, such as redshanks, teal, widgeon and dunlins, who arrive in their thousands.
In the summer months, species such as flycatchers, wheatears and redstarts can be seen here.
reserve has been used for a variety of activities in the past, such as supplying drinking water for the city of Portsmouth and as a racecourse.
The site played a vital role during World War II as a divisionary bombing area in order to protect Portsmouth.
Although the site is undoubtedly beautiful, it is not necessarily peaceful due to the noise of the nearby London bypass. That brings us to the end of our first walk of the year around this reserve. It's great to be back.
We will be back with another walk shortly. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye-bye.